Hi guys, long time no see. It's been a hot minute since I uploaded, but I really want to get back into it. I know I say this quite literally every single time I upload, but I always like upload 2 videos and then I get busy and then I miss it and then I come back, but I'm trying to be more consistent. But that being said, this video is going to be a whole like get my life together. Basically today I'm gonna clean my room. I need to get back on my health journey and like back to when I was meal prepping and all that. Maybe some self-care. I can do a face mask. I feel like I really just need a reset because I was doing 75 soft and I was doing it really well. I got to like day 31 and then I got really sick, and I'm not restarting 75 soft. I'm picking up where I left off, which I know you're not supposed to do, but realistically for me, I can't go 75 days without getting sick. I work at a preschool and I'm sick all the time. Like all the time. So now I'm finally coming out of it. I still have a cough and like a stuffy nose, but I've had a cough for months, so I'm not using that as an excuse anymore. So I'm gonna pick up back where I left off. It's Saturday. I figured I have nothing to do this weekend, so it's my time to get my shit together. 12:40 on Saturday. Having a later start to the day because my mom and I went to TJ Maxx in the morning. So I wanted to go on a walk right when I woke up, but I'll do that later today because it's not going to get hot or anything. I'm going to ease into my working out again. I'm probably going to go on my 2-mile loop that I always do, and then maybe a short little workout video depending. I literally have not moved my body in like a month. But first, what I really want to do is I need to clean my room and my bathroom. My bathroom is disgusting. So let's start by cleaning my room. I decided to start with my bathroom. I'll show you the before. It's gross, okay? I know. And then here's the before of my room. It's a bit later after cleaning. My face is so red. I just got dressed to go on a walk. Here's my little walk OOTD. Just a Skims sweatshirt, Amazon leggings, Hoka's, and then I have a Lulu sports bra on under. I'm gonna just go on like a little 2-mile loop by my house and then come home and plan my meals for the week that I can meal prep tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Ignore my bed not being made. We're washing the sheets today. I cleaned everything yesterday, so now today's laundry day. It's about 8:30 in the morning and I just finished having my coffee. I'm watching Bob's Burgers, relaxing. While I sit here watching some episodes, I'm going to plan my meals. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I do it in a way that kind of works for me. I don't know. I'm also gonna meal prep today, so I'm hoping like preparing my lunches will help me stick to it, and I'll plan my meals and then see how many meals I get out of it, and I can adjust my meal plan because I feel like I get off track with lunches if I don't have anything prepped, and then sometimes I'll like end up having more meals than like out of a dinner than what I set, and then I just go off track. But I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. So to take my laptop, I just have like a little thing and it just says like Monday and then breakfast, lunch, dinner, Tuesday breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then I also will put my grocery list on this and then some snack slash sweet treat ideas for the week that I want to prep. And yeah, so I just search Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok. I have a lot of saved recipes on Instagram and TikTok. I am trying to get better at using the ingredients I have. So right now I have kale and arugula. I'm gonna look for maybe like a pasta salad to prep for lunch with arugula, like a Mediterranean one maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, it's been about like an hour. I did get distracted, but that's neither here nor there. I have all my dinners planned out till Friday, and then I have breakfast until Thursday, so it's just Thursday and Friday lunch that I need. My plan is to make I'm gonna meal prep overnight oats, and then I'm gonna make a pesto orzo salad and pesto chicken. I'm gonna meal prep that to have for lunches Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'll use my arugula for that. And then a chicken kale Caesar salad Monday, Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm gonna do a turkey meatball and roasted veggie bowl. And snack for the week, I'm gonna meal prep some chia seed pudding. Here's my fit for my walk. This shirt is from Old Navy, I believe. These are Amazon, and my Hoka's. Let's go. It's like 12:15 now, and I just got to the grocery store, so I made my list, and I also had to pick up some stuff for my parents because I still live at home, if you guys didn't know. So let's go grocery shopping. I just got back from grocery shopping, and I'm gonna do a little haul. Also, I saw Ashton Irwin while grocery shopping. What? Since when does he live near me? Anyways, let's do a little grocery haul. I got Boboli for my parents, 2 habaneros for my parents. I got guac for tonight because it's Cinco de Mayo. I got a poppy. I got a ginger lime poppy because I saw they posted like a margarita with it, and I was like, need to make. I got carrots. I don't feel like taking it out of the bag, but I got ground turkey, chicken tenders, like breast tenders, and then I got my parents like sausage, a zucchini, a big box of cornflakes because that's literally all they had, mozzarella, Brussels sprouts, pepperoni, tomatoes, pesto, honey. I got 2 of these Quest bars, and then I got 2 No-Cow bars, and I got croutons and then some mozzarella for me. That's my grocery haul. Okay, I filmed this video like 3 weeks ago, and I never filmed an outro. I kind of just stopped after my meal prep. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I already have another video filmed, so might be safe to say that I'm back. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!